This is the Nude Flasher Pro. I have let it cool down since my session for the IPL hair removal. So that's the lens that's currently on this. If you haven't heard of this yet, I have a few other videos up about my results and my journey with the Nude Flasher Pro, as well as some of the other nude flashers as well. So let's take this lens off. You can see it pops right off. That's what it looks like when there's no lens on. Right here I have the Ageless lens. We're going to just snap this right in. So that's on, easy peasy. That was a really easy and simple transition. Make sure to let your device cool down if you're going to be interchanging the lenses between the hair removal and the Ageless lens. I'm going to hold this button down to turn the device on. It recognized that I have a different lens on the device because this is a different number that it's showing here. I'm going to increase the level just a little bit. I feel like let's do 3 for my first session. I'm not sure what this is going to feel like. So I'm going to also leave it on manual. Now it'll only flash when the light there is blue. If you see, like right now, oh, it just turned on. Like right now it's not blue, which means I need to adjust it until it's in a spot, in a position where it's blue. This has a little bit of a sting to it. I really want to get like in the middle there, but it's nothing crazy. I feel like the IPL head to this device has more of a sting, but this has a cooling function, so I'm not going to press it. Be careful, of course, when you're using this not to press the button by accident. The gold strip right there is a cooling strip, so you can hold it down, and like right now I'm not using the button at all, I'm just using the cooling strip. So if it's bothering you, you can use that to help cool down the area and give it a more of a soothing feeling. Okay, maybe one more. Let's see if I can get this. Perfect. All right, so that was my first session. It's super simple. The timing on this video is giving me under 2 minutes, so that was very quick, very easy to use. Stay tuned because I will be showing you my updates on the Ageless lens for the Nude Flasher Pro. Let's see how much they can brighten the dark spots and maybe help with some of the fine lines on my underarms.
Hit the subscribe button for much more from Nood and other brands that I absolutely love to incorporate into my lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and share this video. In addition, check out my small business, shop the Banannie Diaries.